Hello guys, welcome to Code Bazinga. Here I am with the third question in the competitive Python with CodeChef series beginner level. The question I have at hand is first and last digit. Here is the link to the question. As you can see, this is a beginner level problem in the CodeChef. For your convenience, I have replicated this entire question in my Jupyter notebook. Now let's proceed to what the question says. The question is, given an integer n, write a program to obtain the sum of first and last digit of this number, where the input is the first line contains an integer t, that is the total number of test cases, then follow t lines, each contains an integer n, and the output is display the sum of first and last digit of n. I'll explain with the sample input and sample output. Here the input is 3, denoting the total number of test cases, and corresponding to 3 we have 3 integer numbers. Now for each of these number, the output is the sum of first and last digit. So for the first number 1, 2, 3, 4, the sum of first and last digit is, first digit is 0, or first digit is 1 and the last digit is 4. So the output is 1 plus 4, 5. In the second number, again the first digit is 1 and the last digit is 4. So correspondingly the output is 5. And for the last number, the first digit is 2 and the last digit is 3. So 2 plus 3 again equals 5. Now you can pause the video at this moment and try to attempt it by yourself. And if you face any difficulty, just follow the video along with me. So let's deep dive into the coding approach. I'll take a variable t, and I'll be taking t as in the integer input, denoting the total number of test cases. Using a for loop, I'll take t number of integers. I'll be using the variable n to denote this integer input, as in the number for which I have to calculate the sum of first and last digit. Now I'll use a temporary variable and assign it initially to the number. Now every time the number is greater than 0, this is what my condition will be of for while loop. I'll be evaluating remainder, which will be is equal to temp modulo 10. Now I'll use a digit list and append this value of remainder. Okay, I forgot to initialize this digit list, so I've initialized it in the beginning. And now the last step is to reduce the value of temp by temp integer division 10. Now what I'm supposed to do is simply print the value of first and last digit, that is the sum of first and last digit, and I'm clearing the list because I've initialized in the beginning. Now let's see, let's try for one sample case. Okay, tc is not defined. Okay, here I've used the variable t and here I'm using tc. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm getting the output as 5. So this works perfectly fine. Let's try with all the 3 sample cases and then I'll explain. 3, the first number is 1, 2, 3, 4 and I'm getting 5. The second number is again I'm getting 5, and that's pretty obvious. Let's try with the last sample case. So here's the Bazinga moment, guys. We have solved the question. Now let's dive into the explanation part. So I'll use the sample variable, sample input 1, 2, 3, 4. Initially the temp variable is assigned to a value of 1, 2, 3, 4. Now every time temp is greater than 0, so initially temp is greater than 0 obviously, so the value of remainder becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 mod 10, which is equals 4. Likewise, the value of dig, as in the digits, become, this is the list, so 4 will be appended in the list. And lastly, the value of temp is reduced. So 1, 2, 3, 4 integer division 10, this will give 1, 2, 3. In the next iteration, the value of remainder becomes 123 modulo 10, which is equal to 3. The digits is appended by the next number 4 and 3, and here the value becomes 123 integer division 10, which equals 12. Now here the value remainder becomes 12 mod 10, which equals 2. So here what I'll be getting is likewise here I'll be getting 1, here also I'll be getting 1, and the value of digits as in the list value will be appended by 1 at the end. And lastly, temp variable will be reduced to 0 and the while loop will break. So the digits list contains the number 4321, even though the value of first and last digits have been interchanged, but their sum remains the same. So digits of 0 will point to 4 and digit of minus 1 will point to 1. So the sum of 4 plus 1 equals 5. I hope the explanation was clear. You can find this link to my GitHub repo in the description given below, and I'll attach this file in my GitHub repo. And starting this question onwards, I'll be rating these questions based on their difficulty level, even though they are beginner level problems, but not everyone is at the same page. So according to me, I'll rate this question as easy. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.